I think with the show, this is about the whole story about myself from the past. It's the correlation and interrelation of my past to present. Tinanong sa akin ni Peachy one time, will you go back to your old style somehow, no? The house paint. I guess at that time, wala akong budget for canvas, but you have a wall of plywood that you can paint, right? Kasi habang nagpipinta ako sa bahay, why not use also the house paint? And yun yung start. Yung mga plywood na kailangan kong palitan. Hindi pa nga mostly plywood, tabla kasi old house eh. That's my first canvas. I guess instinctively, that's how you adapt. Kung ano lang yung makita mong pader, and then you paint. I thought I was just a painter doing paintings. Ang dami nang nangyari, ang dami-daming nangyari. Only to find out I can also build works. With this, ang dami ng exploration about found objects. Mas interesting, I think, yung mga objects na dito mo lang nakikita. I grew up in Mindanao. I grew up in Sampaloc. Sa Mindanao, you see ruins every day because gundo doon eh. Mga konkreto nakikita mo na warak-warak. Ganon din sa Sampaloc, you see old walls. Alam mong lumang-luma na yung pader dahil patong-patong na yung pintura, which is also my inspiration. I guess art should be that way, no? Kung saan ka namulat. The environment speaks well about your art, about how you do things. That goes the same with this cardboard. If you look at the real meaning of Brown study, that means to contemplate, to understand what's behind. And I think when I was doing this in Singapore, wala akong studio doon eh. Every time we have grocery, ito yung mga cardboards na naiipon ko, and that's the start of my process. Mga imported na cardboards, mas pulido yung proseso nila ng paggawa ng boards. The die cuts are different. So interesting. Those wooden strips, galing yun sa offcuts ng mga hardwood from Clark, yung dome. So most of them, yakal and giho. I think some mulave. And ang ganda nung pattern dahil nandun pa yung patina, nandun pa yung mga lumang-lumang pintura. Those are like century-old paints. You could see the green, the yellows, and really old paint na natuwa ako. Grenade ko sila, and then pag may puwang, doon ko binubuhos yung concrete. Kaya ako tinawag na white noise kasi ini-interrupt ng concrete yung continuity ng wood. Right now, it's all concrete. I did some concrete work before pero hindi ganito ka-massive. This is big kasi it's a series. I like it when you mix concrete with a softer object. It's very unlikely to do, no? Like the malleable and the flexible and even the brittle, you combine them. I guess it's very unorthodox the way you assemble all the opposite objects, which is really not supposed to be. It's nice to see mostly overlooked objects na hindi napapansin ng iba, but you see something on those objects. Minsan, ang interesting. Shape is very interesting. The texture, very interesting. One day I'm gonna use this. Minsan naabot 10 years. Minsan 5 years na, oh my goodness. Pero pag nagamit mo siya, ang sarap ng feeling. Kasi pinagtyagaan mo siyang itabi, and then it would take you years. The challenge was, you combine opposite object with concrete. The lubid is very malleable, it's very flexible. You can reshape it, whatever you want. So ang ginawa ko, pinasok ko siya sa karton. After that, binuhusan ko ng concrete yung loob. So yung box hindi masisira dahil meron siyang tabla, no, na Nilagyan ko ng belt. So nung napuno na ng concrete yan, habang basa, pinatong ko yung isang sako na tuyong concrete. Ang ganda na pwede pala. Ito galing Clark. Nakapatong-patong yan na mga simento, sako-sako, bagong bili. And of course, for them simento lang yan. Pag nagbuhat sila ng troso, bigat-bigat, and then ilapag lang nila yung troso, tinamaan ito, inulan, natuyo. And this is one of the most interesting shape na nabuo. So that's my inspiration. Marami pa akong gustong gawin with concrete. Ang title nito ay What Have I Learned from My Paintings? The irony is it's not painting, right? Doon ako na paisip. After this, what's next? Saan ba ito papunta lahat? But right now, with my experience from the past, ang dami ko natutunan. And with what's happening with my work now, I'm still excited to continue the journey. And I don't know where would that be. It's a cycle Parang napaisip ako, ba't ba ako napunta rito? That's the causal loop. It's a cycle between the past, the present. It's how you analyze, you correlate what happened to the past and go into the future. This is an interesting show for me. It's a milestone for me, I think. And I don't know where to go after this, but so far I'm enjoying it. Ang dami ko pang matututunan, ang dami ko pang pwedeng i-explore after this.